Hey, it's Katina. Welcome to this page. You're probably here because you saw me somewhere talking all about this global business opportunity. Yep, it's called LiveGood. And let me tell you, we are living good over here. All right. So, but why is LiveGood the number one global business opportunity? Well, number one, it is a new network marketing company, which means if you know network marketing, you know how big it is to get in early, right? So, but the best thing about LiveGood is that there are no high fees, no auto shipments, no requirements to purchase anything. They have a low fee, one low fee of $9.95 a month. That's it. Another reason LiveGood is the number one global network marketing company is because they have a forced matrix. This means that you can actually benefit on your upline's work efforts, right? So if I'm attracting tons of clients, you can actually in the future get paid. Actually, it's $2,047 a month, even if you're not doing anything. So that's really what I should have led with. But yeah, our team is growing stronger every single day. And speaking of team, it is very important to be mindful of the team that you join because you want someone who has training to offer you, marketing secrets, client attraction secrets. So, but guess what? I'm the queen of client attraction. That's how you found me. But yes, you definitely want to secure your position under someone that you can see yourself teaming up with and growing with and making that dinero with. All right. So go ahead, secure your position right now, and I'll see you on the other side.